Yes.
We bought a tube cutter and a sheet metal and tube cutter combo, and we're using them for trailer manufacturing dog kennels. And I've really enjoyed their service and training. They've helped me understand all that I need to know, and they said that they answer my future questions. This is our tube laser sheet metal combo, along with our other machine, the tube cutter. We're using it for trailer manufacturing dog kennels, and I really like the service so far. The technicians have helped me answer questions that I've had about training, and they said that they'd answer future questions as well.